Well, hello and welcome to Ben Academy. In this YouTube channel, I'm trying to teach useful tips and tricks of popular softwares in Microsoft Windows, such as Microsoft Office softwares, including Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Microsoft Project, and so on, and some other useful softwares that can be used in your routine job at home or at office every day. In this video, I'm trying to teach you how to create a big summary table from multiple small tables in Excel using Consolidate option. Let's get started, and I will show you how to do this in few seconds. Suppose we have a file like this. These are multiple small tables that are written for every month. These are expense tables, and you can see some titles are common for the months, such as house rent, groceries, transportation, but some other items are specifically written for each month that had the same expense. For example, car repair is done in January, but every month we don't have car repair. And for example, here there is a cost related to clothes, but the other months may not have this item in expenses list. If you want to combine them in a big summary table, you should write all the possible titles here and write the month titles in a top row and find the specific values for each title for each month. For example, I wrote these three. For April, you should write again house rent 1,500, groceries 752, transportation 300, school, let's find the school. Okay, it's 585, and it's very time consuming, and you may make mistakes because you want to find them by your eye or even by even using find option in Excel. But it's not a professional job, and you should do it in a simpler and more professional way. Instead of doing this, please delete all these data first. Select the point you want to insert the summary table, and then go to Data tab and select Consolidate. You can see a window like this. References are the small tables, actually. You can select each table and then add January, February, March, April, November, and December. All the tables are added. Make sure that these two items are selected, top row and left column, to include the titles in top and the left of the table. And then, okay, you will see the table is ready. All the items are written automatically by Excel, and you can analyze them. You can create a table by selecting it and use Ctrl T. It will be a professional table. You can include total row for the every month, but it's not written for all the months. You can do it easily by dragging the mouse, and simply you have a professional table with filter. You can work on it, and you can create, for example, pie chart for every month like this, and you can see that the diagram is readily available only by 2 clicks. You can create it for different months by Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and dragging the data to the right. It's for February. You can create it for every month. You can create a total expenses diagram and everything you want easily. But the main thing is to create a summary table, and you can create it in few seconds instead of looking for items, writing and checking, and I'm sure that you will make a mistake. I hope this video is useful for you. If it was really useful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for supporting us. And you can write your questions below this video and other videos in this channel. I will answer all of them in few seconds. See you.